Hi, in this video I am going to explain what is data warehouse, what is data warehousing and what is data mining. Each concept let's see with examples. First, what is data warehouse? Data warehouse is a centralized repository designed to store large volumes of structured data from multiple sources. Whereas, if we compare it with databases, databases are optimized for day-to-day transaction processing like checking today's balance, recording a withdrawal, or updating customer details. All these are comes under daily operations and stored in database. Coming to the data warehouse, it is used for long-term analysis like studying customer trends over 5 to 10 years. Like a bank collects customer data, loan data, and daily transactions. This data is moved into the bank's data warehouse. Now, manager can ask like how many home loans were approved in the past 5 years, which branch has the maximum number of fixed deposits. Such type of data can get through analysis and decision making from the history. So now you got the clear knowledge about database and data warehouse. Database is used to store the data and it stores current data like daily operations. Coming to the data warehouse, it stores the large amount of structured data and it stores the past plus future analysis. Now let's see what is data warehousing. Data warehousing is the process of collecting, cleaning, transforming and loading data into the data warehouse. It's all about process of storing data. For instance, let's see the bank. Data comes daily from ATMs, mobile banking and branches. This raw data may have errors, duplicates or different formats. The data warehousing process fixes and standardizes it before loading into the data warehouse. Data warehousing is nothing but process or technology of building and maintaining the data warehouse. Here, this collecting is nothing but extraction, transforming, loading. These are very big concepts you are going to learn in detail in future videos. Now the last definition is data mining. Data mining is a type of analytical process that identifies meaningful trends and relationships in raw data, and this is typically done to predict future data. Data mining tools come through large batch of data sets with a broad range of techniques to discover data structures such as anomalies, patterns, journeys, and correlations. Again, let's see the instance bank. Analysts study the data warehouse and find that customers aged 25 to 35 using credit cards are more likely to apply for personal loans. Mining reveals that young professionals aged 20 to 30 mostly prefer digital banking apps, while old customers prefer visiting branches. And one more instance, customers who have savings accounts and frequently travel abroad are more likely to apply for credit cards with international benefits. Such type of analysis done through data mining on data warehouse. A quick recap for all the topics like database stores current real-time data for daily operations like today's balance, today's withdrawal. Data warehouse is a centralized storage repository for long-term historical data analysis like it can give 10 years of customer loan and transaction data. And data warehousing is a process of collecting, cleaning, and loading data into the warehouse, like daily ATM and branch data being standardized and stored. Data mining is analyzing stored data to find patterns and insights, discovering that young credit card users are like to take loans, such type of analysis. Thank you for watching. If you feel you learned something, please provide the definitions in comment section. What is data warehouse? What is data warehousing? And what is data mining?